Hi everyone, for today's project we are going to transform this wreath into a farmhouse spring wreath. But before that, please welcome to Gigi's creation. So let's start by taking off all these red roses, and we have to cover this with the twine. So let's wrap this red Christmas wreath in with this twine. Okay, by using this glue gun, of course. And we just basically we just have to wrap around this twine into this red wreath to cover this color. Okay, I will not I make it as fast as I could, guys, but I will show you the whole process. I'm not gonna cut it off, but I will speed fast it, because the thing is, as you can see, this is red, and if you are not careful in the wrapping around, it will come out some of bits of this red creep paper. So I have to make sure. Actually, it took me quite a while to wrap this round wreath. As you can see, it is a bit time consuming, but it will only take a little bit, because as what I said, I don't want to bore you to death, but I will show you the whole process of doing this. It's almost done, guys. As you can see a little bit of those red bit, but there's not much we can do because we cannot really cover the whole lot. I tried my best, but anyway, because as you know, this is just an old hanger, and I just wrap it with some cloth, and then I wrap it with crepe paper for my Christmas wreath. So now we are going to transform this into a farmhouse spring wreath by covering it with this twine, and we're gonna put a bit of springy flower later on. It's almost done. Just bear with me, guys. I'm sorry. It's not a bit focused with the camera, but it's kind of difficult doing this project and trying to focus with the camera. It is a bit tricky, but it's almost done. It's just a few more minutes and it's done, as you can see. There it goes. We are almost in the finish line, guys. I try to make my project as clear as possible. There's I think how do you call that? There's a joint there, and they put some they tied it up together, so I have to cut it off. But anyway, it's like what I said, it's almost done. This is a bit tricky, this part, but I managed to go through it. So there you go. Now let's put this pink flower for spring. So I'm putting some pink flower. I'm not really good in making this arrangement of flower on the wreath, guys, but I try my best. I always wanted to make this, but it's this time is I'm a bit in a rush because we don't have an internet connection, and I have a bit of data left, so I'm trying to upload this, and I'm trying to rush to make this as well. So I really didn't have much time to think on how I do it. I just just keep on gluing things and see how it goes. Almost done. There you go. A few more flowers here and there. again, like what I said, guys, I'm a bit of in a rush. I know I should not do this, but I haven't done any upload for quite some time, so I just try to make this just to have something to upload. We didn't have Wi-Fi connection, guys, so that's the reason why I'm trying to do this as quick as I could so that I can upload just before expired my data. But anyway, it's done, guys. And yeah, there it goes. And this is the outcome, guys, for our farmhouse spring wreath. I hope you like it, and thank you very much again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.